So I have my turkey wings here. I've washed them and put them into my crock pot now. And I'm now gonna salt them. You can use your favorite salt or whatever seasoning you like. Okay, I'm just using some normal seasoning salt for this meal. And normally, if you're in a hurry to eat your lunch, your dinner, whatever, you don't want to cook in a crock pot because this takes hours and hours. Okay, so I just added my favorite salts. As you all can see, I added black pepper, seasoning salt, and my famous seasoning puree into this. Just add a little more flavor to the meal. Adding some ketchup. The reason I'm adding the ketchup also is to give it a little color and a little more additional flavor. That's gonna cook for hours, so it's really not gonna taste like ketchup. You want to mix all that ingredients into that pot, and you want to pour a little water into it also. All right, not too much water, just a little enough for it to cook and it don't stick at the bottom of the pot. Cover the pot and leave it. Have been cooking for about 2.5 hours here. So I just added some scallions and some cut up carrots. This is going to give it some beautiful colors and flavor. So at that point, I've been cooking for about 3 hours here before I put the string beans into this. I'm going to let that cook for another hour. Mix it up, cover it, and that's it. 4 hours later, you have beautiful, soft, tender string beans. Those carrots are soft, and your turkey. So enjoy. See you in the next episode.